Today, I show you the Flying Dog Jira Clean UI. This is an add-on for Jira. It gives you a powerful, intuitive, and clean user interface for your Jira issue tracker. The setup is very easy. A group admin can configure it. For the users, it is ready to work. No settings are required. First, I show you how to switch to the new user interface. After installing the Clean UI in Jira's Add-on Manager, you have a new button, FDS Edit, in the Issue view. With a click, you can see the issue in the new user interface. This UI is easy to understand, intuitive, and beautiful. It supports Jira's common features and eases your daily work. With a click on Jira View, you can get back to Jira's default UI. You see the difference between the two interfaces. The design of the add-on is more compact and you don't have to scroll to see the most important information. It has a modern style, is well tested for similar solution, and has an optimized layout to work faster. At the top, you have the current state and description of the issue. You can edit the data with a click on every field. For example, you can edit the labels, add an attachment, or change the description. Below is a block with the data of the original issue in a compact view. Open it to see all data. Next, we have the complete history of the issue. An issue can have tons of entries, but most relevant are only the latest. And that's what you see. The rest is folded away. Click on Show More and all entries fold out. In Jira, this is organized in tabs. Here, you limit to a certain activity type with the menu under the double angle. You can choose only comments, all events, only important events or attachments. The input field lets you add a comment. Let's see how you do some typical Jira tasks in this UI. Jira's feature of issue links is, for example, a great convenience. Let's create one that is blocked by the current issues. The issue's data is used as a template for the new one. Edit the data and create the new issue. You see, this is done really fast. Same as in Jira, the linked issues are listed and just a click away. Creation of an issue is similar to Jira. The screen is read from Jira's configuration. Handy features like auto-suggest, for example, of the reporter, are of course supported as well. Everything looks a little bit more nice and clean. Notice the smooth animation when the issue is added to the list. With a click on the magnifier icon, you can open a full-screen search. Just start typing and the results are shown on the fly. You can search for terms or issue IDs. Most of the time, you access the issues via filters. The filters are created in Jira's default UI. An admin can assign the filters to this user interface. Here, you have them in two places. At the left, the most important filters are displayed in a stack-like manner. A click on the triangle unfolds the stack and shows the issues of it. Mouse over gives a preview. With a click, you open it. A click on the filter name opens the stack in the central list view. Here, you can limit the displayed issues furthermore, for example, by ID or terms in the summary. Of course, you can sort the items by the given attributes in the head of the table. Above the list view, we have this drop-down with all assigned filters for the current project. You have here all filters which are displayed in the left-hand side as stacks and, if configured so, some extra filter. Above the filter drop-down, we have a drop-down with the projects the user has access to. Let's have a look at how an admin assigns Jira's filter to the UI. On top, you'll find the user's favorite filters and the predefined ones. They are arranged like the bookmarks bar in your browser, so that they are quickly opened with just a click. Open any Jira administration screen and you find a button, FDS Admin. Then choose the project you want to change the configuration. Let's say we don't want the filter Not Assigned anymore. We uncheck it for the left side with the stacks and the list view in the center. Save, and the filter is not available in the UI anymore. To bring the filter back, just check it again. If you add a filter to the left side, it will always be added also to the center's list view. If you add or change new filters to Jira, make a rescan. So the clean UI is up to date. Many power users love and use Jira shortcuts to speed up work. Shortcuts are support as well. Press ? to bring up a list of available shortcuts. With J and K, you navigate in the list view. Enter or O opens an issue. For all night workers, we have another cool feature, the night mode. Click on FDS Profile to change to night mode in your profile. Another option here is the acceleration of animations. Save, go back, and you have a UI suitable for dark environments.